Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. It's Nicole. Today we will be reviewing some Tinashe hair. No, this is not a paid promo. This is hair that I purchased with my own money. I did purchase a lace closure and 3 bundles. Everything is already put together. I made a wig on my own that I also have installed before. So this video is solely, just to give you guys my opinion and also to show you how to install a lace closure wig. I have the wig right here. This is the hair. I have had this hair for over, I want to say, a month or 2 now. I did make it like for a trip that we went on to the beach. I did wear it then. When I wore it then, I did install it with the Got To Be glue, which I'm going to clean this up, before I install it and everything like that, like really, really fast. I have this stuff right there. I did install a strap, which is for use to just, hold it, like I said in my last video. That way, it won't move and shake, and that way it can be actually snug to your head, just in case you're not using glue and stuff like that. But in this video, I'm going to be using my Got To Be glue spray. I have my Got To Be glue spiking gel, which I'm not going to put this like on my forehead. I've seen a lot of people do that to use it as glue. But like I said, this is going to be like a glueless install, basically. And everything else I have right there, like my spray bottle and all the other stuff. But you're going to see throughout the video, how to install it and all the other stuff. Right now, what I have on is this cap. Like I said, I like to use the caps that's like close to my skin tone or just far-fetched from it. But if you want to see how I installed this 4x4 lace closure in bundles, please don't forget to just stay tuned. Watch the video throughout the whole thing. Make sure you like the video. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like I said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so here I have my hair, like we stated, from Tinashe. Some Got To Be glue spray, the spiking gel, just a regular kind, a paper strip, but I'm gonna end up just not using that. Some scissors, and my stocking cap, also a spray bottle. But like I said before, everything that I use is going to be in the description box below. Right here, I'm just using this method that I've seen pretty much everybody use. Just cut a hole by the ear and just place it under your ear. That way the cap won't move as you're spraying. Also, once you get to using the blow dryer, it kind of helps it keep in place and keep it tight and snug to where exactly you want to be. And yeah, so once I spray at least like 2 layers onto it, I don't like to use no more than 2 layers because, like I said, I don't wear my wigs for no more than like a day or 2. So I always take it off with alcohol. That's the best way that I have found to take the Got To Be glue spray off. And I'm gonna just blow dry it for a couple minutes. And yeah, from here, everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm just gonna cut off the excess, well, the part that didn't stick down. You don't want to have this all the way to your eyebrows because then it's just gonna look crazy. So you want to get as much as what's not attached to your forehead as possible off. So you're just gonna cut. It's gonna seem kind of scary, but you're gonna cut kind of close to the scalp and cut all of the excess off. But once you finish doing this, you're going to use the Got To Be glue gel and just kind of help it stick down. I don't use it as a super bond like I stated before. I just use it to help my caps kind of lay down better and lay flat. That way it's not like bulking up and stuff like that to where you can see it through the lace. Okay, so like I stated before, I do like to put some concealer on top of my cap. That's just to help me make the scalp, look a little bit more real. That way, people aren't like, staring at the lighter color scalp that's not the same color as your skin tone, because that's just crazy. So I'm applying it all the way across because like I'm kind of undecided on which side I want my part to be on. Either it can be a middle part, or you can put it to the left or the right side. That's the good thing about these wigs. You can kind of control it, once it has the scrap and everything attached. So yeah, once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. Like I said, I was kind of undecided on which side to put it on, so here you're just gonna see me kind of playing with it or whatever. Okay, one step that I did forget to do is to take some 91% alcohol and kind of get the excess got to be glued spray off of my forehead and stuff like that. That way, if you have sensitive skin like me, the got to be glued spray won't break your skin out. Okay, so after I install it and whatnot, this is what it looks like. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tie this so that the hair can kind of push this back. Kind of push this back because I don't want that. Anyway, while I'm trying to tie this, because you see how my stuff coming up. Okay, so this is gonna help it stick, like kind of help you stick with that got to be glue that's already on there. Because baby, let me tell you, take my scarf at this point because I ain't got time. But I've seen a lot of people use Train About Their Life, Ghost Bond, lace front glue. It's a lot of options out there. It is a little expensive though. I know, like the Ghost Bond or Goose Bond or whatever it's called. I don't know. I know that is like $21 at the hair store. And sis, let me tell you, if you constantly installing your wigs like every other day, or I think it holds for like a couple days, like 3 days at the most. Cause this is not cooperating today. No ma'am. Okay, so it holds for like 3 days or whatnot. But yeah, I mean, if you constantly wearing wigs like me, you can't, bro, that's a lot of money. Okay. But yeah, so like I said, the got to be glue can do wonders for you if you're wearing it for like a day or two. But like if you're wearing it for like multiple days, I would suggest to get the got to be glue black spiking gel. You could try that. I haven't tried that yet, but I've seen a lot of videos where they did try that. But the Ghost Bond and stuff like that, maybe you could try that, if you're wearing it consistently over and over and you need it to hold for like a week because you don't really have time to get up and do your hair and stuff like that. So you're gonna let this sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. So now that has set for like 10 or 15 minutes, you're gonna take this off, and then you're gonna kind of see that I ain't pull it down for that. You don't see it's kind of stuck in a place that you want it to be kind of stuck in, but it don't really matter because like I said, I got this scrap anyways, so whatever. But I'm kind of feeling this being big like this. Oh yeah, so that's how it looks. Two things that I can tell you about this hair: it does shed like a little, and I can show you that. I brushed through pretty much the whole wig already with this little brush or whatnot to kind of comb it out. And see, it's like nothing on my brush. I kind of did that to detangle it a little bit, because it has been sitting up on a little wig stand. So yeah, but that's how it looks. Ooh, I like it. Like, I kind of like it like this. Like, I'm gonna put it back some. I kind of like it like this though. I mean, it's cute big. I might not with it. I don't know. But it's made to be wet. It's wet and wavy hair. I thought I probably said something else at the beginning, but it's like wet and wavy. Okay, so I'm just all over the place today. And so now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like wet. I have my spray bottle with like just some water in it. And I have my mousse. I'm using a different kind this time. Because it's all I can find. This is the olive oil kind, but it's the same brand. It's just like they have like a whole bunch of other brands that you can use. So yeah, so this time I'm using like olive oil kind. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drench this, not drench it, because baby, look, I ain't got time to be messing up my makeup. And I want to spray some. Girl, let me turn this to the side. Okay, and you're just gonna brush your hands through or whatever. But yeah, the most part that takes forever is really this part. So I'm just gonna section it off and try to wet it. Something else that really helps is this brush. Like, I don't know what they call it. I think it's a detangler. I use this for my real hair because, you know, I'm natural or whatnot. But yeah, see, it kind of combs the water through. So that's what it looks like. So this is dry. This is wet. You see the difference? Dry, wet. Okay, so like I said before, this hair really does not shed. See? Well, can't really see, but I don't really have anything on my hands. Nothing. Another thing is the closure is like really good quality. I bleached it with 30 volume and the quick blue bleach, and I want to say I kept it on for like all of 5 or 6 minutes. Like it bleached really quick. It didn't bleed through or none of that. Like, I had put some concealer underneath. Well, you saw it on my wig cap, and then I also put it underneath the closure like the first time I wore it, and it's like still there. I washed this and everything. Like, this is like some really good hair, Tinashe. I would really like to see, you know, what their frontal wigs are like. I'm gonna try that probably next. I'm not sure. But yeah, like I said, just wet it, and after you wet it, take your comb. I don't really do the baby hair things with closures. I feel like it's not really needed, because sometimes I feel like people be doing too much with baby hairs. And see, that's not really me. Like, I know I wasn't born with no baby hairs, so look, if it's not a frontal, like, I really feel like them closures don't really be needing it. But to each his own. So what I'm doing is just finishing up combing this through. Oh, and to kind of show y'all how it looks when it's calm and wet and just, yeah, just together. Okay, so it is fully wet, as you can see. This is 14 inches, 12, 14, 16, 18. So that's why it's, you know, I don't really like long hair. Well, I ain't gonna say that. I do like long hair. But, like, when it comes to this, you don't want to be wet in it. So, okay. So, we're gonna take a little bit of mousse. Like I say, you don't need a whole lot of this, because you'll be, like, completely wasting it. So, girl, wait, let me. So, about this much. I don't know. Anyway, a little. Girl, I got time. And put it like right here. And this is just to lay it down. And this is the part where if you're going to do baby hairs, this is the part where you're gonna do so. But I'd like my part to be kind of straight over that. Reason why I took the alcohol is because you don't want like glue and stuff like that, like shining through. See, like you can't see any of the spray that I sprayed. You see, can't really see that. So you can't comb through it. Little to no shedding at all. Like, this is some very inexpensive hair. I want to, like I said before, like 12, 14, 16, 18 bundles plus a closure for $80. Come on, sis. Get with it. Like, come on now. But this is the finished look. And I did my makeup today. Of course, I used the crayon case with some NARS foundation, full coverage, of course, and their concealer. I love their concealer. It's like bomb. If I don't use the Pro Concealer, which is this from the hair store, which is like $3.99 at the hair store, I always use the NARS, which I'm running out of NARS, so that's why I just been kind of mix and matching. So this is the finished look. So if you guys want to see any more videos from me, hair, makeup, brows, anything like that, be sure to leave that in the comment box below. Like I said, everything that I used in this video today will be listed in the description box. Last but not least, be sure to subscribe. We are at 44 subscribers as of today. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to this video.